does a coaching session with a client look like? If to talk about the structure, it could consist from several parts, like 3 or 4 parts. For example, at the beginning, of course, we start with exploring the client situation or request, right? So we needed to understand what is going on, what the topics they want to discuss, what the decisions they maybe need to make, or what the answers they need to receive, or something like that, right? So we need to discuss the topic they would like to work on, the request, we could say. Later, we define the best possible outcome of the session from the client's perspective, right? So we are asking, what will be for you the best result of our session today? What do you want to achieve at the end of this session? What will be for you the signs that will mention you that this session was successful for you, right? That it was a great investment of your time. And then we are listen very actively to our clients and together decide what will be this result of this session in this big topic, for example. Next, what we do in the session is seeing the situation, the request, and themselves from different angles, right? From different perspectives. So like we see here is also mirror. I like this metaphor. So thanks to coach's questions, right, and different other interactions of coach, client could see themselves better in this situation, what I am thinking about myself. Clients could see their situation better from different corners, from different perspectives, right? So maybe there will be putting some light on the darkness side, right? And they will be more aware of something they will not be before. And of course, it will give them this new understanding, new awareness, so they could do something with it later after the session. And then in this best moments, they gaining insights, our client, right? So what does it mean insights? It's something like new understanding, or they are finding some solution. So they, our other colleague also made this like aha moment, right? So they just understand something in a new way. And this is very interesting for them and insightful, so they could use it later as a new learning. And of course, at the end of the session, we, together with the clients, we achieve the session's goals, right? That outcome that we just put in on the beginning of the session. So we just summarizing, what do you learn from the session? What do you maybe learn about yourself as a personality in this session? What you could summarize, what was for you the most useful today, etc., etc. And of course, coaching raising awareness and gaining a new perspective on the situation and on the clients themselves, right? Like I already said. And also what I need to add here, you know, coaching is not about discussing, it's not about talking just, but it's also about doing, right? And making some actions, some steps to be more closer to the goals that you just want to achieve. So, of course, after every session, we, at the end of every session, we create a plan, an action plan with our clients. So what they will do till the next session. What I also want to add here, you know, you could work with client in one session and it's over, right? It's like only situational coaching, I could say. But I would like more recommend you to work with your client in long-term contracts, right? For example, you will just work with your clients for 2 or 3 months or 6 months, like half a year or 1 year, you know. So during this long period, it's more opportunities for your client to achieve the goal, and it's more opportunities for you as a coach to work a little bit deeper, right? So, for example, your sessions are once per week or once per 2 weeks. And after every session, you create the plan, the action plan with the clients. So after this session, clients have like this time, for example, 1 week or 2 weeks to implement, right? to use this knowledge from the previous session and to understand what works, what doesn't work, so what may be needed to be changing in the future, etc., etc. Also, when you are creating this plan, you're identifying the risks that could be and how your clients will overcome them, and also you will explore the motivation on the next session, what done well, what was difficult, and how you could change it. So it's really very, very interesting.